Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the view only on the Google Sheets on your PC or computer. So I've already opened a file where I don't have access to edit the file. You can see the current status is view only, so I cannot make the some changes or any changes into the file. So I cannot delete this, I cannot do anything. Okay, so to remove the view only, here is the trick. So what you need to do is just copy the file. So here, click on the file and there will be an option to make a copy. Just click on make a copy, and here I'm going to just go with this name, copy of editing. Choose the folder to save the copied version and just click on make a copy. And after that, the copied version will be open like this, and on this copy version you can make some changes. So for example, I want to delete this uh column or this cell. So just you can see now I can do anything to this file. Okay, so the view only has been removed. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.